Hey there, make sure you subscribe and press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Is your hair dry and damaged? Well, I got it covered for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a hair mask at home to repair your dry and damaged hair and get smooth and silky hair. Now the first ingredient that we are going to need to prepare this hair mask is curd. Now if you have longer hair, take 2 big full spoons of curd, and if you have shorter, then just take 1 spoon. And the second ingredient that we are going to add to this hair mask is coconut oil. So I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into this hair mask. Now coconut oil stimulates hair growth by getting deep into the follicles of the hair. It adds luster, shine and softness to the hair and even prevents breakage and split ends. The third ingredient that we are going to add to this hair mask is honey. Now honey has rich antioxidant properties which prevent damage, keeping your scalp and hair healthy. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of honey into it. Honey also has antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. Now the last ingredient that we are going to add to this hair mask is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. So I've just made a paste out of fresh aloe vera and I'm adding it into this mask. It also is a very great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It even promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. Now all you got to do is mix all these things up, and this hair mask would give a very cooling effect to your scalp because it has curd and aloe vera gel which are known to soothe the scalp and improve the health of the scalp. So this is how the consistency of your hair mask should look like, and once you're done mixing it, all you have to do is apply it to your hair. So start applying this hair mask into your scalp, and once you're done, go towards the hair and then the tip ends of your hair. Now this hair mask will not only repair your dry and damaged hair, it will also calm the frizz and make your hair very smooth and shiny. And since this is a summer mask, it would give a very soothing and cooling effect to your hair, and you'd start experiencing it the moment you apply it to your hair. Now after you're done applying, just massage it gently as I've shown here, and then tie a bun and let it stay for an hour or so, and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. I really hope that you try this very effective home remedy for your hair, and if you find this video useful, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time in another video. Till then, bye!